Introducing Jetline Marvel's first-ever aircraft encyclopedia, a must-have for aviation enthusiasts. Dive into a world filled with stunning images and fascinating details about the most iconic commercial and fighter aircraft. Explore the skies from the comfort of your home with this exciting collection, now available on Amazon. Amid rising tensions in the Middle East, Israel finds itself facing increasing hostility from various Arab nations. These countries, frustrated by the geopolitical landscape, are looking for ways to challenge Israel's military might. However, they lack the sophisticated weaponry needed to effectively challenge it. Western countries and NATO allies, including Egypt and Turkey, are also unwilling to offer support. The only viable option left for these nations is to procure arms from China or Russia. In response to the ongoing conflict, Iran has shown renewed interest in acquiring Chinese fighter jets. Although Iran attempted to purchase the J-10 aircraft from China in 2021, the deal was complicated. China hesitated to finalize a barter agreement due to Iran's cash-strapped situation. Tehran is reportedly interested in acquiring 36 advanced J-10C jets, but finding the necessary funds poses a significant challenge. While China initially considered exchanging weapons for oil, it ultimately required payment in foreign currency, leading to the deal's failure. As per the sources, Iran has approached Pakistan to buy the JF-17C Block 3 fighter jet, one of the most popular options in the global defense market. Known for its affordability, advanced technology, and combat effectiveness. This request marks a strategic shift in regional power dynamics, particularly with Turkey's involvement in key subsystems, adding complexity to the arrangement. The demand for the JF-17C Block 3, developed jointly by Pakistan Aeronautical Complex and China Aerospace Corporation, is rapidly increasing. The JF-17 is a cost-effective alternative to Western and Russian platforms, making it especially appealing to countries looking to upgrade their air forces. Without investing billions in next-generation fighters like the F-35 or Su-57. Equipped with advanced features, including an active electronically scanned array radar, beyond visual range missiles, a helmet-mounted display system, and integrated electronics, the JF-17 offers a balanced mix of air-to-air combat proficiency and precision ground attack capabilities. Countries like Azerbaijan, Myanmar, and Nigeria already operate the JF-17, with Block 3 deliveries anticipated soon. Iran's formal request for the JF-17C Block 3 signifies a potential shift in the global defense landscape. With ongoing sanctions from the West, this deal could significantly enhance Tehran's air combat capabilities, without falling under US or European scrutiny. The inclusion of Turkish subsystems, which comprise avionics and other critical components, adds sophistication to the deal, making it particularly valuable for Iran. If successful, the Iranian Air Force would experience substantial upgrades. The JF-17C Block 3's advanced avionics, BVR capabilities, and AW radar would equip Iran with a modern fighter jet, capable of addressing threats from adversaries like Israel and Saudi Arabia, thereby bolstering its regional air power and defense interests. The Azerbaijan JF-17 Block 3, with speeds exceeding Mach 2, approximately 2,470 km per hour, boasts agility and maneuverability, crucial for air combat. Its main advantage lies in cost-effectiveness, priced at roughly half that of the F-16 Fighting Falcon, estimated at around $25 million per plane. However, this figure may not fully account for all factors in the deal, including training, spare parts, missiles, and other necessary add-ons that could increase the total cost. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts about Pakistan's JF-17 fighter jet in the comments section.